What's up, Splag gang, y'all? We back with another one, y'all. We over here at a movie premiere, Zoo something, y'all. I can't even pronounce it. Keisha got the invite. We over here at Regal 10 Stadium Cinema. It's a premiere. It's a premiere of a new kids movie that's coming out or whatever. So we got the kids with us. Yeah, we almost running late as usual, but we getting it together. Yeah, Zootopia, y'all. That's what it was. Zootopia. They got snacks for them.
No one wants the vegetables?
Y'all don't want no vegetables? She talking about no.
Oh, sweets.
Sure, no sweets.
I just got a new one, right?
Got Harry in here.
Thank you.
Got Harry going crazy in here.
I'm like, my goodness. We'll get you in front of the big dog. That's John again.
Let's say hey to Harry the Hawk.
Okay, I'm going to sing the national anthem again, so come on over here, Mr. Hawk.
All right, y'all. So we just finished with the movie. The movie was absolutely amazing. They told us we couldn't film in it because we were the first ones to see it. It don't even come out until like I think another week or two or whatever. But we got a chance to see it. Zootopia, that's the name of it. Y'all, it was amazing. We had a great time. It was a really, really good movie. So I feel like everybody who got kids, y'all definitely need to go take y'all kids to go see the movie because they'll really, really enjoy it. I enjoyed it myself as an adult. I ain't gonna count. Hold on, let me get out these four way. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope y'all having a fantastic day, y'all. Fantastic day, y'all. And Monday, y'all folk better be up and at it. Y'all folk better be up and at it, trying to add it. You know what I'm saying? Better get you some money in it. You did. I'm on the way to a client's house to do a pressure washer job, y'all. This is a return to client, so you know my job with A1 guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? The folk couldn't go no other way but me. So I'm on the way to the house now, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all a little snippet of what's going on. We'll give y'all a little before and after. You know what I'm saying? If y'all folk need y'all some pressure washing or whatever before the holiday, because I know y'all got folk coming to y'all house and y'all house looking a mess. See what I'm saying? So if y'all want me to clean it up, not your house, I ain't cleaning your house up. But y'all get what I'm talking about. If y'all want me to, you know what I'm saying, come touch up some of the stuff y'all got in y'all yard or your house or whatever. So y'all can be presentable to your esteemed guests. Then y'all folks come on over here, man. Come on, tap in with the done. You know what I'm saying? But that's one of many things we got on the agenda today, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and knock this out. Luckily, not luckily, but I've done this project already. So I know the ins and outs, and I know exactly what I need to do and how I need to do it, and yeah, and like, you know, the time factor and all that. So it shouldn't take long, you know, it shouldn't take long. But I'm definitely gonna do a great job on the property. Definitely gonna do a great job on the property. You know, like once you do stuff, you know, like wise man once said, it's not about the time that you get it done. It's about the time you put in to get it done. You see what I'm saying? So if I was, say for instance, if I was a painter, right? If I just started painting, you know, it'd take me, you know what I'm saying, weeks, maybe months to complete a painting and, you know, make it look like what it's supposed to look like. Versus if I've been painting for 15 years, 10 years, 5 years, then I'm probably gonna get that painting done a lot quicker and more efficient, but a lot quicker. You see what I'm saying? So, you know, I ain't gonna say I just been doing this, you know, for all them years and that, but I've done enough jobs to know exactly what I got to do and how I need to do it, especially if he was a returning client. So, with that being said, y'all, I'm finna get ready to pull up at the house. I literally already pulled up to the house, y'all. I already dropped all my equipment off. I done left my headphones, my Beats headphones that I got for my birthday. I left them at the house by mistake. So I was like, let me run back over here real quick. And then I had to grab some gas for the pressure washer also. So I was like, yeah, let me run back over here real quick and grab them. Because at first I was like, you know what, I was just going to do it. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, just get it done. Don't worry about the music. But, nah, I don't want me some little music to bump while I'm doing it. But that's enough of talking y'all folks. Head off. I'm going to see y'all at the property. And y'all, these is the type of properties that's in the vicinity. These the type of properties right here. You did. Folk go golf course. You did. Folk go all that over here. And them folk go get with. Yeah, I know what I'm finna say next. Them folk go big old. Them folk go big old lake houses. You know what I'm saying? Off the lake, all type of stuff, y'all. These folks are not little itty bitty over here. Yeah. Folks ain't little itty bitty. So yeah, I just said that to say, yeah, that's what these folks got going on. So I'm probably gonna do a couple door knocking to see, gee, what y'all folks got going on over here. Like, what y'all doing? Like, let me figure something out with y'all people, man. Y'all folks already got it figured out. Then, come on, man. But let me stop playing, y'all. I'm finna be right. See y'all later. All right, everybody. I got everything already moved out. Pressure washer, everything set. This is how it looks. The before. I'm gonna get all this done. Back here. Hold on, y'all. Back here. So I look. I got everything moved from back here. So I'm just gonna blow all that stuff over from over there. And yeah. And we'll get this thing looking spanking new, y'all. So be right back. Yeah, I just finished up the property. They had some people and stuff coming over, like right as I was finishing up, but so I didn't want to, you know, pull out my camera and stuff and like be filming them or whatever. But everything looked fantastic. As usual. So y'all, I'm finna get back to the house and take these clothes off. Take me a shower real quick. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I just want to show y'all my little breakfast that I'm making. Y'all look, I done made these little mini chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, they so good. I just basically took the what's name, rolled up small balls and did it like that. But I just made me some pancake batter. So I'm gonna make me like some little muffins. Hold up. I got that bottom coated. Now I'm gonna come in with the, yeah, I know with the eggs. Go sausage. Rest. this is what I'm using right here. It's very, very healthy for you. Yeah, look. Gonna go in the oven. I want to clean it up a little bit, then put it in the oven. Alright, y'all, so this what they look like. Yeah, I just literally took the edges off of it, so don't mind that. But I'm finna pull one up out of here. See how they come straight out. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at that. Look at that, the egg, the sausage, all that is in one. Go ahead and get the syrup. Yeah, hold on. The one that the lady on there? Oh my goodness, y'all. This the what that thing called? Mandela effect. Oh yeah. A1. Let me let y'all see me get the first bite. First bite, y'all. A1. I see that. Come on, man. Yeah, this thing is smoking hot. Yeah, A1 though. A1. A1. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go get changed. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So the kids back. I told y'all about the chocolate chip cookies I made, so I had to end up making some more. We're really trying to fill this whole thing up with mini chocolate chip caramel cookies.
Yay! Take one and eat them all
And
together.
this is what we did so far with the other second batch, which we probably not gonna end up filling it up, y'all. But
Now do we roll it up?
all right, y'all, everybody, come on, y'all, roll.
Where?
August, you might need to go wash your hands. You got all that stuff in your hands.
Oh, wow. I know.
Just roll it and put it up there. Daddy will line it up. Good job. Y'all like my factory workers.
Walk along.
Good job. Just drop it up there.
Jory.
Drop it, Jory. Just drop it. Drop it, Jory. Just drop it and go get another one. Drop it.
Because and we earn chocolate chip. Oh, workers go.
Just drop it, Jojo.
Workers go to the snow. Where girl, what roar? The last one for Jory because she literally didn't get any.
Good job. Way to be a good big brother.
Because I took the last one.
I'll put this in
And
the
Joy
trash.
couldn't get the last one. So I'm letting her get the last one this time.
Drop it right there,
I'm
Jojo.
putting this in the trash.
Okay. All right, y'all. This is what it look like. Watch out, babies.
Somebody's still with me. Is it fake? Jaya, I thought we were playing with these. Jaya, I'm the best one in the world, and nobody's like me.
What
I'm the
FedEx
best
here?
kitty. Yeah, Jaya. Yeah, FedEx is. I see one melting. I see that one melting. Oh yeah, it's melting. And the biggest one, which is like that one right there, is gonna be the widest one.
Hold on, y'all. Don't stand too close to that now.
Let's get out of here.
All right, y'all. We over here baking us some little cookies, some mini cookies.
All these big ones.
Yeah, these kind right here.
All these big ones, like I think they're going to turn white. It's going to. Guys, look!
All right, y'all. How the cookies look, y'all? How they looking? How they looking?
Looks good. Jaya, I'm the best candy corn in the world. Nobody's like me. Jaya, you want to play with me? I want to watch this. Well, I guess I'm playing by myself. It's going faster and faster. Fast, 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 go! Fast, 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 fast. That one's literally melting.
It don't matter about no spots, y'all. I said get away from it. Stop standing so close to it.
Look at that.
All this radiation and all this stuff. Y'all don't want to be next to stuff like that.
Look at that big one.
Y'all talking about radiation. Y'all help me in the comments if there's some radiation seeping through there. I need to know for sure, for real. I just be saying stuff to get them back too, though.
Daddy, one is already done.
Really?
Yeah.
But we can't pull it out until everybody else is finished.
Don't touch the balls. I did 2 cookies and it's already done. It looks good right now. All the cookies are about to be done. And look at that one. Daddy, the cookies are about to overburn.
They're about to burn. No, they not.
Yes, they are. The cookies are about to burn. Like, and the microwave was like,
Yeah,
oh.
that is. That is crazy.
I'm gonna be looking up like this.
Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna be right back when we get them out.